Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. For this video, I would like to make a simple test for the basic mixing function of the left part 300 liters model kneader mixer for Romania client, which is used to mix material, nitrile rubber and fillers. For the motors part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard tooth face reducer. Material contact part, we use stainless steel and mirror polish. All the units, we make it explosion-proof type. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. First, we focus on the panel. From the top part is a voltmeter, ammeter, inverter, panel, speed control. This is temperature display for the inside chamber and the jacket. Top lid light. This is the buttons part, blades forward, reverse, stop, vacuum pump on, off. This is the top lid open, close, cylinder tilting and back, emergency stop button. The 4 buttons on the bottom is for the driving system control. Now I open the top lid and start it. First, we test the half speed. This is half speed. Now, please rotate in forward direction. Working stable. Speed up to the max speed. Should be 37. Stop it, and then we test the reverse direction. Rotate reverse. Now the shaft would be speed up to the max speed in the reverse direction. Working stable. This is a vacuum system, hydraulic system, driving motor reducer. Working stable. Now I reduce to the half speed. And display the safety protection system via hydraulic system. Top lid open. Keep my finger on the top lid open. We can see that although I have make no operation on the stop button, the mixer stopped. This is for the safety protection purpose. Top lid inside, chamber inside, double sigma blades. After mix, top lid opened, we can make the cylinder tilting. This is for the material discharging period. Chamber is tilting. In this way, with the double shaft reverse rotate, material would be discharged out from the chamber. However, even in this situation, I can also drive the blades. Inching switch function we call it, or jogging function. Keep my finger on the forward or reverse button continuously. Like this, forward. Please rotate in the forward direction. Same principle, reverse. This would be good for the maintenance and cleaning of the mixer. Now I make the chamber cylinder back. And totally close. Okay, so just now I has made a simple introduction, the test for the basic mixing function, the safety protection function, and the engine switch function. Next video, I would like to test the vacuum performance of the system. The vacuum pump, good quality one, buffer tank vacuum system. See you later.